Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you find top shots on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. So you just go down, click here on top shots here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find here all uh, top charts here. Then here can you save this charts in this list here. So that's all you have to do here to find all top charts or top box here. So that's all you have to do to find this list. I wish know you I get it. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.